The outer noise begins to fade as stillness fills the mind. Attention rests on subtle form where meaning waits in kind. A quiet image softly held without desire or strain becomes a mirror for the flow of thought beyond one frame. In steady focus, clear and calm, another current shows not words or sound but felt intent. The way awareness moves, a silent language forms within, beyond the spoken art, where thought reveals its shaping force from mind to mind to heart. No judgment placed, no will imposed, no reaching out to take. The watcher rests in openness, alert yet wide awake. Impressions rise like passing clouds, their feeling gently known. The mind receives without demand what was not its own. In steady focus, clear and calm, another current shows not words or sound but felt intent. The way awareness moves, a silent language forms within, beyond the spoken art, where thought reveals its shaping force from mind to mind to heart. This knowing moves within the world of form and subtle play, a threshold where perception learns but has not gone all the way. The soul remains just out of sight, still waiting to be known, as awareness learns to listen first before it stands alone. Through